Thank you, Mr. Shankar Narayanan. Minister for Industries and Commerce and Revenue, Sri MOHF Shahjahan, our Director Industries and Commerce, Madam Priyadarshini, Chairman of the CII Puducherry Chapter, Managing Director of the Grant Technologies, Sri Shankar Narayanan, Sri Narasimhan, the False Chairman CII, Managing Director of Satav Logistics Private Limited, Sri Vijay Ganesh, Vice Chairman of CII Puducherry, Managing Director, Woodline Hydraulics Private Limited, and the Captains of Industry, friends. In great detail, the Director Industries and also the Honorable Minister has explained, they have explained the investor-friendly atmosphere in Puducherry, in spite of several bottlenecks, several problems which our government has been facing. In fact, I would like to congratulate and thank the CII Puducherry chapter. When Puducherry was suffering due to COVID-19 pandemic, the kind of support that has been given by CII is unimaginable. Whenever we needed the ventilators, monitors, PPE kits, masks, and financial support for the purpose of the deployment of doctors, nurses, the ANMs, the kind of support that has been given by the CII, I am really grateful to all of you, because at the time of the government of Puducherry was battling with COVID-19, with the support of the medical professionals and also our officers, your support, the moral support and physical support by the CII is laudable. Therefore, I would like to thank you before starting my speech. Puducherry is an investor-friendly state. Right from the Honorable Minister, myself, the Director and other officers, we would like to have Puducherry as one of the industrial hubs. We have been making efforts. Our government in 2016 announced a new industrial policy after long deliberations with CII and other partners, and it has been acclaimed and accepted by other states also. And Puducherry is a very small state with limited land mass, and in spite of it, because of the industrial climate is very favorable, therefore the industrialists are coming forward to set up industries in Puducherry. Yes, initially we faced lot of problems. Honorable Minister also faced problem from the point of view of the administration. But even beyond that, our state, in spite of the crisis, in spite of COVID-19 pandemic, we were able to successfully help the CII in whichever possible manner our government has to do. When the government of India announced, Honorable Prime Minister announced Atmanirbhar, we wrote to the government of India to support the industries in Puducherry state. As far as the expanding the industries in Karaikal and also in Puducherry, increasing the industrial base is our motto. Therefore, whenever you approached us for the purpose of creating the cordial atmosphere between the industries department and yourself, now as director has mentioned, the nodal officer, separate nodal officer for the purpose of better coordination with the CII and industry department, now the process is on. Secondly, for the electric vehicle policy, we have announced ease of doing business. The Honorable Minister has opened the website, and apart from that, as the Director mentioned and also Honorable Minister Shri Shahjahan mentioned, for ease of doing business, we have drafted a law and we are sending it to Government of India for approval. By that, whatever the small issues which are there can be covered, and the people who are delaying it, the officers, we will take them into task. That provision also has been added. Therefore, you can be rest assured that we will pass that bill as early as possible to ensure that the industrial investment is further strengthened in Puducherry state. As you rightly observed, we have earmarked the land in Puducherry, in Sadrapet area, and also in Polagam. When compared to other states, the electricity tariff is less in Puducherry, and skilled manpower is available, and there are a lot of industries which would like to switch over from Chennai to Puducherry, because in Chennai the atmosphere is being vitiated. Though a lot of people are going to Tamil Nadu for the purpose of starting industries, we would like to attract some of them from other states, and for that we also had in partnership with CII, we had the earlier 2-3 sessions for attracting the investors from other states. In fact, as our Honorable Minister mentioned, our growth rate when compared to all India average is par excellence. Apart from that, as far as the Puducherry is concerned, whether it is commercial tax department, whether it is industry department, they are working in coordination with the industry. In fact, as the Honorable Minister said,
your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, as far as now you are able to hear me. As far as our state is concerned, we are concentrating on non-polluting industries. That is our primary concept. And we would like to have, because of the now COVID situation is there, we would like to concentrate on strengthening the health sector investment. And moreover, we would like to have the automobile components manufacturing units. We would like to strengthen IT sector. We would like to have the infrastructure for the tourism development. The Puducherry has got enormous potential for tourism. And the IT sector, the skilled labor force is available. For that, the government of Puducherry is more than willing to support the investment that is coming from other states. As the Honorable Minister mentioned, 2,000 crore investment is coming in Karaikal. The Singapore companies are coming forward to set up the super specialty hospital with wellness center. They identified the land, they are going for the investment, which is going to deploy more than 3,000 to 4,000 people within the local area of Karaikal. The cargo movement, now under the Sagarmala scheme, we are going to have the dredging in the seashore area, so that the large ships can come and carry the consignment from here. Then apart from that, when the Honorable Minister for the small and medium industries, Sri Nitin Gadkari, when he opened the flyover in Puducherry, he told very clearly that in Puducherry's development, he personally said that he is interested, because he has given lot of road development scheme for Puducherry, Villupuram to Karaikal via Villupuram to Nagapattinam via Puducherry and Karaikal, the 4-lane road, Villupuram Puducherry, the 4-lane road, then flyover in Indira Gandhi statue, flyover in Rajiv Gandhi statue, and also for expansion of the road between Puducherry and Kadalur. And he also said that as far as his government is concerned, he is willing to help us for the purpose of having the ship facility for the passengers who are travelling from Chennai to Puducherry, Karaikal and Tuticorin. And the passenger ships, also the minister said that he will make arrangement, and moreover, we are negotiating with Sri Lankan government for starting ferry service from Karaikal to the Kangesanturai in Sri Lanka. Therefore, when there is electricity in abundance, land is not an issue, peaceful industrial climate, investment climate. Moreover, as far as the Puducherry is concerned, the officers, you can approach them at any time. You can meet the minister, you can meet me, and the certain issues which at the state government level, myself and Honorable Minister and also Industry Department will work in close coordination and get it done. When it comes on the question of the Government of India's approval, we will definitely take up the issue with the Government of India. And in fact, when we wanted to open the growth center, and in fact the Honorable Minister was willing to inaugurate it, which is in Kalapet, because moreover the innovation center is also has been built there, that will also be utilized, because when you like to have, because now the startup industries are coming in a big way in Puducherry now. Therefore, this innovation hub is going to help in a big way for the purpose of the startup industries in Puducherry state. Therefore, cumulatively if you see, the industrial climate is created because of the close coordination between CII and Puducherry government. And we have become very good partners for the purpose of industrial promotion in Puducherry, and our government is willing to cooperate with you, support the CII for the purpose of starting more industries in Puducherry, for the purpose of attracting more investment in Puducherry, so that our main concern, our Puducherry government's concern is employment generation. As we announced in our industrial policy, 60% of the population, local population should get employment. That is our main motto, because Puducherry is one of the states, in every state when you find, only 6% of the population are labor force. In Puducherry, whether it is government or private sector, including industries, more than 12% population is employed in the government service and also in private sector. That being the situation, now slowly, now tourism is picking up. The tourists started coming now. In the new year, definitely normal atmosphere will come. You can appreciate how our government was able to control the COVID-19 pandemic in Puducherry state. Now today, we are reaching 98% recovery. All India average is not more than 94 to 95%. Not only recovery rate, positivity rate has come down up to, now it is only 1%. And the death rate is 1.6%. And the all India average of the people being tested, the government of India said 10%. Now we are reaching 30%. In the total population of 15 lakhs, now we have tested more than 4 lakh people we are testing to, as on date in Puducherry state. Therefore, COVID management, in fact, our government is preparing a plan for the purpose of administering the vaccine with the support of Government of India, for which the chain is being worked out. Therefore, on the one side, the government is working on controlling COVID, on the other side, creating industrial climate in Puducherry state. I am very happy that this you have organized this in collaboration with the other industries here. In fact, investment opportunities in Puducherry, as CII, as ambassadors of Puducherry government, you will have to take up with other states in collaboration with them to ensure that more entrepreneurs come to Puducherry for investment, and our state government is willing to work with you for the purpose of creating not only industrial climate and growth of industries in Puducherry state. Thank you.